Good morning, student. Today we will discuss the multiplication of rational number. That is worksheet 3. Multiplication of two rational numbers is the product of their numerator upon the product of their denominator. It is always the product of two, for example, product of 2 upon 3 and 6 upon 7 is we multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. We get 6 2 is 12 and 7 3 is 21, 12 upon 21, and there is one common factor, that is 3. 4 3 is 12 and 7 3 is 21, so it becomes 4 upon 7. This is the multiplication of two rational number. Now we will discuss the properties, same properties that we have done for addition and subtraction, and now we will discuss for multiplication. The first property is their commutative property. According to this property, the product of two rational number remains the same even if we change their order. For example, x into y is equal to y into x. Both are same. That is 2 upon 3 into 5 upon 7. It is equal to 10 upon 21. Similarly, 5 upon 7 into 2 upon 3, it is equal to 10 upon 21. So it means commutative property holds for multiplication. Now the next property is the associative property. In this property, the product remains same even when we change the grouping of the rational numbers. For example, x into y into z is equal to x into y into z. We will take one example, that is x 1 upon 2, y 3 upon 2, and z is there 5 upon 7. In this grouping, the answer is there 15 upon 28. And in this grouping also the answer is there 15 upon 28. So we can say that for multiplication the associative property holds. Now next property is there multiplicative identity. 1 multiplied by any rational number, the answer is the number itself. For example, x be any rational number, the x into 1 is equal to x. Similarly, 1 into x is also equal to x. So 1 is multiplied by any number, the number itself is the answer. So we can say that 1 is the identity element of multiplication. It means multiplicative identity exists, and that is 1. 1 is the identity element of multiplication. The next property is the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of a rational number is the interchanging of the numerator and denominator such that the product of rational number and its multiplicative inverse is equal to 1. For example, x be any rational number, then the multiplicative inverse of x is interchanging the numerator and denominator, that is, it becomes 1 upon x, such that x upon 1 into 1 upon x, it is the number and it is the multiplicative inverse of x. The product of these two is equal to 1. So we can say that multiplicative inverse also exists. Now for example, multiplicative inverse of minus 2 upon 3 is 3 upon minus 2. Now their product minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon minus 2 is equal to 1. So we can say that multiplicative inverse exists, and multiplicative inverse is also known as reciprocal. So the reciprocal of any rational number is the multiplicative inverse of the number. Now next property is there Distributive property. According to this property, if there is a sign of multiplication and addition in this grouping, or minus sign is there, in that case x into y plus z, so we will multiply x by plus x by z, so it is equal to x into y plus x into z. Similarly, for subtraction, x into y minus x into z. Now the last property is there, product of rational number with, and 0 is 0. X into 0 is equal to 0 and 0 into x is equal to 0. X is an irrational number. Now the question related to this exercise are, multiply and express the result as a rational number in standard form. So in this question, first part is there 11 upon 7 by minus 3 upon 8. 11 upon 7 multiplied by minus 3 upon 8. In this case, the numerator are there 11 and minus 3. And denominator are there 7 and 8. So we will multiply 11 by minus 3, that is equal to minus 33, and 7 by 8, that is 56. So it becomes minus 33 upon 56. Similarly, we have to do all these parts. Multiply the numerator by the numerator and denominator by the denominator in each case. Now second part, we have to verify the associative property, that is x into y is equal to y into x or not. So there are some questions. One question I will do. The first part is there x equal to 7 upon 9 and y is equal to 3 upon 2. So in this case, we have to verify x into y is equal to y into x. So x is there 7 upon 9 into 3 upon 2. So it becomes, in this case, we will cancel the numerator with denominator. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So it becomes 7 into 1 upon 3 into 2. That is equal to 7 upon 6. Similarly, y into x is also equal to 7 upon 6. Therefore, we can say that x into y is equal to y into x. So, commutative property hold for multiplication. Now, there are 4 part of same question, that other part you have to do by yourself. And next question number 3 is there. It is related to the associative property of the rational number for their product. That is x into y into z is equal to x into y into z. We have to show that.